So I got this long boy. I'm just gonna clean the car for it. Just gonna clip the fuel hose and let's do it. It's just 10 millimeter. Okay, all the nuts came out. This is the breather hose. Does it have screw? I don't know why the boot screw. Like a ring on top of that, which is okay. There's no, I don't see a gasket. Should be a gasket here. So the first thing, I don't see a gasket. Okay, I can take this out. Should I take out the carb or just clean it the way it's in there? Somebody been playing with this, so they forgot to put the gasket. Alright, so maybe I'll just open the carb and do the easy way, quick way. I guess if it doesn't work, I have to take the whole thing out. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the main jet over here, or the bolt, while the carb is in there, and see what's going on. It's 10 millimeter, same like Honda carb. Okay. Okay. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of goop in there. Has to be clean. Okay, just came out. Make sure you don't lose this. Just gonna try to clean as much as I can. Main jet. Let's use the torch tip cleaner to make sure all the jets are open. Just do more with the so let's see if it's gonna start or not after that. Just gonna give it a quick clean from the top. I might have to order a new carb or just clean it with ultrasonic. Look at that. The guy say he serviced it a year ago. I don't know about that, but that's not like a year worth of stuff. I'm just gonna clean that and come back. So I clean it as possible. There's nothing left in there until I just want to make sure if it's running or not, and then maybe clean it the proper way or just order a new one. I'm gonna put the O-ring around the carb, so usually the drain nut should be or the bulb should be the opposite side of the gas inlet, so should be like that. So let's do it. Okay, make sure the O-ring is where it should be. And then you can use 10mm to untie it first. Okay. Alright, should be good. Everything working. Governor. That's like a Honda carb. I see this is like a Honda too, but the engine is Kohler, so it's not a Honda. So it's they're using a Lone Boy Kohler engine, and this is simply with the carb. It's a Honda, so it's weird, but I guess whatever makes money, right? Whatever is convenient for them. Maybe they got a better deal. I'm just gonna clean this quick, the housing for the air filter. So I just put I mounted the assembly and I put the breather hose, and now it's time to put the, I didn't put a gasket, so let's see if it's gonna run or not. I have to redo it again to make sure there's nothing wrong with the engine itself. Or any hitting surprises. Okay. Let's clean that quick. I'm gonna release the locking plier for the gas, so I don't see any leaks. So I'm gonna release the table and try to start it. Okay. So I released I plugged the spark plug, and I released the locking plier for the air for the fuel hose. I don't see the leaks. I went ahead again and checked the oil, and it's really black. I see tags for service, but I don't think it was a year ago. I think it was like, I don't know, 3-4 years ago. Let's try to start it and see if it's gonna run. Probably there's an air leak, or I'm just gonna try to put some juice in carb and see. Yeah, it's now starting. I guess the carb has to come out and go on ultrasonic cleaner. So I'm just gonna take the carb again and redo it, clean it the proper way, and hopefully maybe the jet, where is the needle, you know, maybe that's clogged too. So that's what I'm gonna do, and probably I'm sure there is air leak from here. So I mean, that's toward the air filter. It shouldn't, you know, prevent anything, but I'm sure if there is something over here in the back gasket or anything, probably if there is an air leak, so that's why it's not running. Okay. Try to okay. The fuel line is out. Okay, now this so this is, you have to push this side and just take out. For some reason it's not going all the way. Okay, it's out. Same other one. This one. Don't want to take the cover off, but I guess there's no other solution for that. Okay, I took the whole linkage from over there and just left the tab, like the plate, and it comes out. So I'm just gonna take the whole carb now, as you can see. So make sure you don't lose the linkage for the choke. And I'm just gonna clean it, take the bowl out, and I'm not gonna put on a what do you call it, ultrasonic. I don't have it set up yet, but I'm trying to do it quick as possible because I don't have time today. If not, I'll just leave it for the next time. Maybe take this jet over here, the idling jet, and let's put it on the table. Okay, I'm just gonna open it again. So I don't lose the pin. As you can see, it's yellow. I barely can see it from here. I'm just gonna maybe that's the reason. It's not. I see fuel on the carb ball, so that means it's good. And I need to take out the emulsion tube. Let's see if we can take it out. It's easy. I'll take the gasket out, the O-ring. See, piece of gum came off from the emulsion tube. Okay. Emulsion tube, they look clean. Actually, emulsion tube is kind of blocked from the side, and this is the jet, main jet. Cleaning boss, it's car cleaner and torch tip cleaner. Sure all the openings here. It's so tiny. just gonna use some caulk clean to flush it out. Okay, this is clean. Kind of windy today. This is clean. I'll try to push. Okay, put it back. Motion tube only goes one way, and the main jet goes one way as well. Screws in. Make sure you don't strip it. What else? Make sure I take this out so I can take the sometimes when you do it like a shortcut, make sure you don't lose that. And this is, can pry that. Okay. There is a small jet in the bottom here. Make sure this is plastic. I need a smaller. I don't know if there is a smaller. Okay, this is the smallest needle I have. It's not going through. I gotta look for something smaller. Just gonna I see it's open, so I don't need to clean it. Just gonna spray here. Over. I'm running out of car cleaner. You just push it in. It only goes one way. Okay. Just trying to make sure it's seated well. some reason I'm not sure if should be like, I think it should be more in. I just don't wanna take the car apart again, you know. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Make sure you put that screw back in. I usually count how many threads or how many spins, but today I just gonna eyeball it. Yeah, it was like that much. Make sure any small hole clean and nothing in there before I put it back. And I have to look for a gasket. Make sure everything is good. Okay, this is out on the air. As you can see, it's yellowish. I don't want to lose the needle. Just gonna get more carb clean. No. Okay, so I just clean the carb quick, and I clean the gasket. I mean the float. I just put it back. Get the pin. I'm working outside. I don't want to lose it, because if I drop it, it's not gonna be found. Okay, that's good. Make sure there's no air going through while this is down. When you lift it up, you can hear the air going. I'm just gonna put more carb clean in there, just in case. Okay, all clean. Only just don't forget the gasket. Yeah, I was told that that thing was serviced recently, but I don't see that. As you can see, maybe they took it somewhere and they made it just running, and then so let's see. Okay. And always the drain opposite side of the fuel line. Just untie it first. should be good. It's time to put it back. Okay. And don't forget this linkage. This goes this way. This was here. I'm not sure this is how it goes. Okay. Okay, so this is how it goes. I'm just gonna try to install this first. Or actually, I'm just gonna try to put it here and put this here. So the linkage just goes first, and this was, I believe, here, like that. The linkage just goes here. You just have to twist it all the way. Okay, so this, I tried to do this from the other side. I didn't take the first time. I didn't take the cover for the engine. I feel like this should be on the other side. So I have to take the linkages out again. Okay. And this is from the other side. That's why I was having a problem to put it in. I think this is good like that. And this goes like that. Let's see. Okay. So I think this is good. It's working. Yeah, so I put it. Now I put back the linkages. Quick. Just twist this, should go in. Okay, the governor linkage, very tiny. Make sure everything works. Alright, so now just the fuel line. Okay. So all the way in. Now we can. Okay, not going anywhere. Now I have to find. I think this works as a gasket, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have any gaskets, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. If it doesn't start, I'm just gonna order a new filter, new carb, I mean. Okay. Should be one behind that housing. But since it's gonna be open toward the air filter, I don't see any reason why we have to put it, or it makes a problem. So it doesn't have to be airtight. It's not gonna leak air, but let's see. I'm just gonna release the fuel line, because hopefully I don't see anything coming down. That's mean we're almost there. Hopefully it will start. Sure all the linkages are and the choke lever from everything is working. So let's put it down and check it out. It's gonna run, or we'll just call it a day. My son is gonna put it down. He's helping me today. Okay. All right, let's try it. Yeah, definitely there is air leak somewhere, so I have to order like gaskets for it.